To begin, make a chain of 14 stitches like this one. Then yarn over, skip the first 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, go through the 4th chain, you go through the 2 loops of the 4th chain, make a double crochet, make another double crochet in the same chain space to make them 2. The skipped chain 3 plus 2 double crochets in the same chain space, those are 3 double crochets. In the next 9 chain spaces, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. You still go through 2 loops of each chain space and make a double crochet. This is 1. Go through the next chain space. You go through these 2 loops of the chain space, make a double crochet. That is 2. Go through the next chain space. You go through the 2 loops of the chain space and make a double crochet. That is 3. Continue until you make 9 double crochets across and you have 1 chain space remaining. After making 9 double crochets across, I have 1 chain space remaining. Still going through 2 loops of this last chain space, I'm going to make 6 double crochets in the same chain space. This is 1. Make another double crochet in the chain space. 2. Continue until you make 6 double crochets in this last chain space. After making 6 double crochets in the same chain space, make 9 double crochets across. This is 1 double crochet. Go through the next stitch, make a double crochet. This is 2. Continue until you make 9 double crochets across. After making 9 double crochets across, in this chain space I made 3 double crochets. I'm adding 3 more to make them 6. 1 double crochet, make the second double crochet. This is 2. Make the third double crochet. This is 3. Then I will slip stitch in the chain 3. The chain 3 that I skipped when beginning round 1. 1, 2, 3. Going through these 2 loops of the chain 3. Round 1 is complete. To begin the second round, I will chain 1. The chain 1 is counted as a single crochet. I'm going to mark where I will slip stitch at the end of the round. In the same place where I slip stitched and chained 1, make another single crochet to make them 2. The chain 1 plus 1 single crochet, those are 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next 2 stitches, make 2 single crochets into each one of them, 1 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, 1 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet into each one of them, 1 single crochet, go to the next 1 single crochet, that is 2, go to the next 1 single crochet, that is 3, go to the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 4. In the next stitch, make only 1 half double crochet. In the next 4 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each one of them, 1 double crochet, go to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2, go to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, 3, go to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, 4. In the next 6 stitches, make 2 double crochets into each one of them, 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Go to the second stitch, 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. I have worked on 2 stitches. Work the remaining 4 stitches, making 2 double crochets into each one of them. Once you complete the 6 stitches by making 2 double crochets into each one of them, the remaining stitches repeat what we did this side, following the pattern on the screen. At the end of the round, I will slip stitch where I have this stitch marker to complete this round. I will chain 2, 1, 2. The chain 2 is counted as half double crochet. Make another half double crochet in the same stitch where I slip stitched and chained 2 to make them 2. In the next stitch, make one half double crochet. The next stitch, make 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. In the next 8 stitches, make one half double crochet into each one of them, 1, go to the next stitch, half double crochet, that is 2, go to the next stitch, half double crochet, that is 3, go to the next stitch, half double crochet, that is 4, go to the next stitch, half double crochet, that is 5, go to the next stitch, half double crochet, that is 6, go to the next stitch, half double crochet, that is 7, go to the next stitch, half double crochet, that is 8. In the next 4 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each one of them, 1 double crochet, go to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, that is 2, go to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, that is 3, go to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, that is 4. In the next 12 stitches, I'm going to increase, but I'm not going to increase in every stitch. I will increase in one stitch, the next I don't increase, and I count that as one set. So in this, I make 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. The next stitch, I make only 1 double crochet. I count that as one set. Make 5 more sets in order to complete the 12 stitches. Once you have completed all the 6 sets, the remaining stitches repeat what we did this side. The pattern is on the screen. At the end of the round, I will skip the chain 2 and slip stitch into this half double crochet. Chain 1 and cut. That marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly like my video, then I will see you in the next tutorial.